Mama was a great mentor to me. She never called me any other name except my son. I've lost her mother. Kwa wale ambao wamepitia mkono wa mama, najua we have lost one of our own. The last time we were together is when we were meeting Dr. Fred Matiang'i as former members of parliament. She came and spoke very well and gave us blessing for leadership. And finally, she came to see my wife in hospital. That was very touching. From that meeting, she brought me to hospital. I've lost a mother and a friend. May God rest his soul in eternal peace. Na tafadhalini Kenya hatuko sawa.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Chairman. My name is Vincent Kemosi, former immediate member of parliament West Mugrango, na mimi nilikuwa na msaidia chairman katika ile komiti ya Nairobi. Mimi nataka kuwashukuru wale ambao walichangia hii maandalizi ya mama, hasa tukimshukuru High Excellency Martha Karua. She attended all the meetings, tukiwa kwa mama, tukiwa kila mahali. Kwa hivyo tunakupongeza Mheshimiwa Martha Karua. Kwa sababu sitaki kurudi hapa tena, niongee nimalize kwa sababu nafasi yangu iko niachie wengine. Mimi nataka kuwaomba abantu baitu ba Gusii bone sirimbi yabugire tukori arero umongina nakaruka ko ni wokuru kufipya sio maate bogere abantu no bari bakari kwebanga no kwebanga uko no wa 2027 na intubuna aba Gusii ya ikirengaki togwenerete kwebanga tari boga abantu baminto asenga kiye bono iga twatebire Mugusii onde bwensi ogochigosoka isiko yekerengere kyo Mugusii nyumbani omwana itonto bwate korua okoru Fredo Kengo Matiang'i nere twatanga nili motwe Chief Justice nara nere abagakambaje baikaransi gabaiwanane oyo mo Fredo Kenga atenene rindegera abe president yenseye iga abantu baminto bari mukarari ase mukare Jerusa mumanyi no musike Steve Mogaka karwari ase murira na ka isiribi yabugire ebina bye birengera byo Mugusii. Na mimi nimalizie nikisema hivi, huyu Mheshimiwa Martha Karua mahali yako ile wimbo tunaimba ile fikira yako nayo, na mimi niko hapo. Arambe arambe. Asante sana.
Aya.